Stop squeezing your mangoes like they are stress balls. You are only bruising the fruit and ruining the texture before you even get home. It is a common mistake, but there is a much better way to tell if your fruit is ready to enjoy right now. We are going to break down the ultimate 3-step guide to picking the perfect mango every single time you visit the grocery store. Let us start with the first method, which is the gentle squeeze test. This is all about feeling for the right level of firmness. Take the mango in your palm and apply very light pressure with your thumb. You do not want to press hard or poke it. A perfectly ripe mango should yield slightly to that gentle pressure, feeling similar to how a ripe peach or an avocado feels. If the fruit feels rock hard under your thumb, it is still unripe and needs a few more days to develop its flavor. On the other hand, if your thumb sinks in too easily or it feels mushy, that mango is likely overripe and should be avoided. You are looking for that specific, subtle give that tells you the internal flesh is soft, juicy, and ready for you to slice. Once you have mastered the squeeze, it is time to move on to the second method, which is the smell test. Lift the mango up toward your nose and focus your attention specifically on the area right around the stem. The stem area is the most reliable place to detect the natural, sweet aroma that the fruit releases as it ripens. Take a deep breath and see if you can detect a sweet, fruity, and fragrant scent coming from the top of the fruit. If you catch that delicious, tropical fragrance, it is a great sign that the mango is at its peak of ripeness. However, if you sniff the stem and notice there is no scent at all, the fruit is still too green to eat. A lack of aroma means it needs more time sitting on your kitchen counter to finish the ripening process at home. Always trust your nose, as it is often more accurate than just looking at the fruit from a distance. Now that we have covered the squeeze and the smell, we reach the final step, which is ignoring the color entirely. Many people mistakenly believe that a bright red mango is always the best one, but that is actually a common myth. The color of the skin can vary wildly depending on the variety of the mango, so do not let it fool you. Instead of focusing on the red or green hues, look closely at the overall shape of the fruit in your hand. You want to look for a mango that has a nice, plump shape rather than one that looks flat or thin. Check the skin texture as well. You are looking for skin that appears smooth and feels slightly tight across the surface. If the skin looks shriveled or very loose, it might be past its prime, so keep looking for a better specimen. Interestingly, a few small wrinkles or tiny sugar freckles on the skin are actually great signs of high quality. Those little spots usually indicate that the fruit has reached its peak sweetness and is ready to be enjoyed. So, remember the golden rule: ignore the bright colors and focus on the shape and the texture of the skin. By combining these 3 simple steps, you will never have to guess whether your fruit is ready to eat again. Start with that gentle squeeze to check for the perfect amount of give, ensuring it is not too hard or too soft. Follow that up with a quick sniff near the stem to confirm that sweet, tropical scent is present and accounted for. Finally, inspect the shape and skin for those telltale signs of maturity, like a plump form and a few sugar freckles. Following this process takes only a few seconds, but it guarantees you get the best possible fruit for your money. Now you are ready to take that perfect mango home. Slice it open and enjoy that vibrant, juicy orange flesh. It is worth the extra effort to pick the right one, especially when you are planning a delicious fruit salad. If you found these tips helpful, drop a comment below and let us know your favorite way to eat a fresh mango. Make sure to follow our page for more simple kitchen hacks and grocery tips to make your life easier every day.